Can't have an overnighter without an overnight bag.
Overnight?
Baby, I'm an artist. I don't go by brain, I go by feel. I need to settle the energy of the place, meet the ghosts.
Yeah, I can't stay.
What are you drinking?
I can't stay, I'm sorry. I only came because Lori didn't have your number to call and cancel. And I didn't want to leave you waiting here because, well, being stood up in this particular bar, it's like falling face down on the runway, and even though I don't know you, Lori has this annoying meddling habit about her, and it only seemed decent to, you know.
What are you?
Told him if he delivered to an address in Los Angeles, they wouldn't finish the job on his mother. He was an easy target. Only child.
Hi. Hey.
Hi, Amy Townsend.
Erin Connors.
Nice to meet you.
Great to meet you.
Thank you for letting me come in.
No worries.
So.
How do we do this?
Oh, today's really to go over scheduling, if that's cool.
Oh,